children! How are you feeling today? I hope that you are all feeling good and safe. Do you have any idea of our new topic in science? That's right! Let's learn about Lesson 19, Interaction of the Components of Coral Reef and Mangrove Ecosystems. In this lesson, you are expected to describe coral reef and mangrove ecosystems, identify the components of coral reef and mangrove ecosystems, discuss the feeding relationships and interactions among living things and non-living things in coral reef and mangrove ecosystems. Can you do it? Well done! Aside from the tropical rainforest, other natural ecosystems are coral reef and mangrove ecosystems. Like the tropical rainforest, these ecosystems are also diverse. What do you think makes them diverse? What are found in the coral reef and mangrove ecosystems? Try to find them in the puzzle below. There are 10 plants and animals that you can look. You have 30 seconds to do this. Time's up! Keep your answers, we'll check it on Tuesday.
Most of these animals depend on marine plants for food. Marine plants in the coral reefs include more or less 500 species of seaweeds and numerous species of algae. The different marine organisms compete for resources such as food, space, and sunlight. Each species depends and interacts with the numerous other marine organisms in the coral reef ecosystem. The abundance of one species affects the diversity and abundance of others. The largest reefs of the world are found in the warmer portions of the Pacific and Indian Ocean. The largest of all is the Great Barrier Reef located along the coast of Australia. There are also coral reefs in the Caribbean and in the Gulf of Mexico. The highest diversity ecosystem in the world is the coral reef found in the tropical Indo-Western Pacific Ocean together with tropical rainforest. In the Philippines, the Verde Island Passage found between the islands of Luzon, south of Batangas, and Mindoro is where plenty of coral species can be found. In the coral reef and mangrove ecosystems, many food chains exist because of the presence of thousands of species of organisms that coexist. The diversity of plants and animals ensures that the flow of energy continues. These food chains and other numerous food chains keep life in the coral reef and mangrove ecosystems. In this food chain, a small fish, which is a herbivore, grazes with algae, and the small fish is eaten by a sea turtle. Algae are the producers, while the small fish and sea turtles are consumers.
Let us recall our lesson. Describe coral reef and mangrove ecosystems. Exactly. What are the components of coral reef and mangrove ecosystems? Very good. What are the feeding relationships and interactions among living and non-living things in coral reef and mangrove ecosystems? Perfect. Let us practice proper care and protection for coral reef and mangrove ecosystems by maintaining its cleanliness and support activities that advocate to the protection and conservation of these ecosystems. That is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something today. Kindly answer zoom in letters A and B on pages 204 to 205 of your science textbook. Submit your answers in the uploaded assignment link in our science course 3rd quarter folder. Goodbye class, stay safe and healthy.